It's used in our roads, bridges, and other infrastructure around the globe. Reinforced concrete, a combination of concrete and steel, is a major polluter and accounts for 10% of the world's carbon emissions, far exceeding the 2% produced by the airline industry.
Where all the CO2 comes from is the processes of turning them from naturally occurring rock and naturally occurring iron into concrete and steel.
That's without mentioning the emissions that are produced by mining those materials. With cities like Kingston creating more buildings like high-rise apartments, researchers at Queen's University say protecting the environment against global warming is urgent. Professors Neil Holt and Josh Woods, along with their graduate students, began researching how the construction industry could cut those emissions at the beginning of the year, taking two main approaches. The first is to find a way to design structures to use less concrete, and the second is functionally grading the concrete.
Where we actually put the strong concrete where we need it, and strong usually equates to more cement and therefore more CO2. And then where we don't need that strength, we can use much lower cement concretes, which means we can again drive the CO2 down.
While research is happening in the Queen's Civil Engineering labs, it will move into the real world with help from the city. An actual structure with low environmental impact will be designed and built at the Kingston Fire and Rescue Training Center.
We feel that what we're going to learn here today through this program with Queen's will help us in the future and will help probably a lot of other projects nationally and internationally also.
The team at Queen's hopes the demonstration structure will be used as a classroom and a living lab to educate students on low carbon structures. They hope to start building the demonstration structure next summer. Erin Strickland, Global News, Kingston.